What's going on YouTube? Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I want to go over my entire credit card collection. I got my first credit card when I first turned 18 after a few weeks of my birthday, and I've been getting credit cards every 3 to 4 months now, and I've been building my credit. I've gotten a lot of bonus points, so I can basically travel for free, which is amazing. So I'll be going over from the first credit card that I applied for to the most recent credit card I have, and I will reveal my next credit card that I'll be applying for. And throughout the video, I'll drop some of the mistakes that I've made, some of the tricks that I learned, hopefully that you can find them helpful as well. So please stick around and let's get into the video. So the very first credit card that I applied for was with Bank of America. I was banking with them at the time. They were the closest bank to my house, so naturally I enrolled in their banking system. And the first credit card that I applied for was the Bank of America Cash Rewards. This had a $200 bonus, a $200 cash back, after spending $1,000, so that was pretty good. Now, after I met the $1,000 spend, I got back $200, which was huge to me at the time. That's when I knew that I would be applying for more credit cards. Now, the next credit card that I got is, in my opinion, the most useless credit card in my collection, and that would be the Apple Card. I mean, don't get me wrong, Apple is great. This was my first metal credit card, so I was really stoked back then. But looking back now, I haven't really used it on much. I think it gives 3% back in Apple and Nike stores. The reason why I applied for the Apple credit card is because at the time I was hearing that a lot of people were getting approved with low credit scores, and I wanted to minimize my chances of getting a denial. And then I started reading up more on credit cards, and I found out about the Chase credit cards with huge sign-up bonuses. And I wanted to apply for one, and the first credit card from Chase I have is the Freedom Unlimited. This was really great. It got me into the Chase ecosystem, and I wanted to apply for more Chase credit cards. And I kept reading up on it, and I found out about the 524 rule. The 524 rule basically is if you have more than 5 accounts open in the past 24 months, Chase will automatically deny you for applications. When I found out about this rule, I wanted to get as many Chase cards as possible before moving on to other banks. And that's when I found out that business credit cards don't report onto your personal credit report. This means that Chase won't be able to count the business credit cards as an open account because they don't report to your personal credit report. So that's when I applied for 2 more Chase credit cards in the same day, because I found out that if you apply for multiple accounts, sometimes the inquiries get combined into one. So you only have one inquiry for all of the applications. So that sounded amazing, and I went ahead and applied for the Inc. Unlimited. This is a business card, and I also applied for the Inc. Preferred, which is also a business card. And these 2 cards had huge sign-up bonuses, I think 50,000 points and 80,000 points, and I had 6 months to meet the minimum spend. After the 2 business cards, next I applied for the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which was another 50,000 point sign-up bonus. And I also received a $12,000 credit limit, which was really amazing for me at the time. Then I started reading up more about credit cards, and I found out about the American Express credit cards. And I heard that American Express is more generous with their credit limits, and I wanted to apply to get as much credit limit as possible. As I was researching, I wanted to apply for a hotel credit card, and that's when I found out that American Express Hilton Aspire credit card gives you diamond status in Hilton hotels. So that's when I applied for 2 more credit cards in the same day. And I applied for the Hilton Honors credit card and Hilton Aspire credit card from American Express. These 2 credit cards did not give me the credit limit I was looking for, and I also realized that I was over the 524 rule for Chase. And that's when I applied for the next card, which is the Chase Flex card. Now that was another 20,000 point sign-up bonus, and it would be the last Chase credit card that I've applied for since then. After I was put over the 524 rule, I could not apply for more Chase credit cards. So that's when I applied for my next card, which is the Bank of America Worldwide Life Fund. This gave me another $200 cash back after $1,000 of spend, and surprisingly it gave me another $12,000 in credit limit. And after that, I wanted to get even bigger credit limits. And that's when I found out that Navy Federal Credit Union gives the highest credit limits. So that's when I texted my buddy in the military and asked him to add me to his Navy Federal Credit Union, because this credit union is strictly for military households, but you don't have to necessarily be in the military to be part of the credit union. So next, I applied for the Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards. This gave me a whopping $20,000 credit limit. At this point, I was getting more and more into American Express since they had the highest sign-up bonuses besides Chase, but I couldn't apply to Chase because of the 524 rule, so I applied for my first charge card, which is the American Express Platinum card. This card had a 1,000 point sign-up bonus at the time. I know it is higher now, but 100,000 point sign-up bonus sounded amazing, so I applied for this card. After I completed the sign-up bonus for the American Express Platinum, I applied for another Navy Federal credit card, which is the More Rewards credit card between American Express and Navy Federal. So this gave me another 25,000 credit limit, which was also amazing. And like last time, I did not meet the sign-up bonus for Navy Federal because the sign-up bonuses are just not worth it. At this point, I want to diversify my banks and open more relationships with different banks. So that's when I applied for the Wells Fargo Cashwise card. To me, this card is pretty trash, but it had a $150 cashback, which was pretty good for $500 to spend. And so I applied for this card just for that reason. So the next 4 credit cards are all from American Express, and most of them are business credit cards. And I'll tell you why in a second. So next, I applied for my second charge card, which is the American Express Gold card. Now, I chose the rose gold color, but you can also choose the gold as well. This gave me another 60,000 point sign-up bonus. The reason why I won't be applying for any more personal credit cards for the foreseeable future is because I want to get under the 524 rule and start applying for more Chase credit cards. Next card would be the American Express Business Hilton credit card. The reason why I applied for this card is because I'm already a Diamond member of Hilton Hotel, and I just want to get more points since I will be staying there anyway. The next charge card that I applied for is the American Express Gold Business Card. This gave me another 80,000 point sign-up bonus, and at the time I was looking to buy a new MacBook, and I found out that this card offers 4% back in Apple stores. Well, technically electronic stores, but Apple is included in that category. That's 1% more than the Apple card offers. Apple card offers 3% back in Apple, and this card offers 4% back. So I used this to meet the minimum spend. I got the new MacBook, and I was halfway there. Now, all the credit cards up until now, I opened because of either 2 reasons: the sign-up bonus or the potential credit limit. But the next card I applied for a completely different reason. It's because this card is a business credit card, and it also offers a 0% APR for 12 months. And it would be the American Express Cash. Now, the reason why this is so important is because business cards do not report to your personal credit report. Let's say I got a 10,000 credit limit for this credit card, and I have 0% for 12 months. This is basically a free loan on $10,000 for 12 months. Now be careful, because at the end of the 12 months, you would have to pay the full amount, because at the end of 12 months, that rate is no longer 0%. So make sure that you have enough money to pay at the end of the 12 months. But in those 12 months, you can use this credit card as a free loan. So the next credit card I'm applying for is the American Express Platinum card. I will be sticking to business cards, like I said, and I think this is the highest sign-up bonus that I have available for any business card. So this will probably be my next credit card, and I might even make a video on it. Please let me know in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video or learned something from my experience. If you have, please consider subscribing to this channel. I will be making more content like this and provide as much value as possible. Until next time.